students, let's see today with the determiners. What is a determiner? Let me tell you first. A determiner is a word placed in front of a noun to specify quantity, like a, and an. That can be an article, that can be these, those, depending upon the distance and all that. That is again, we have distributed kinds of determiners that I will explain you further. Like adjectives, determiners also qualify the noun that follows. They point out the noun. What is the work of the determiner? To point out the noun, okay, in simple language. For example, my uncle, the best student, every house, that book, some files. These are the few examples of determiners. Now, kinds of determiners. Coming to the points of determiners, I will like to explain you that kinds of determiners are demonstratives, these, that, these, those. This is used before singular noun and these before plural noun, as we have learned from our first, second standards. I think in senior KG also you may have learned these things. For example, this is the best book on mathematics. These dresses belong to a very famous film star. This and these refer to person or articles which are near, right? Though they are singular or plural, whatever it is always used for near articles, those the things that are near to us. Then that and those refer to person or object which are at the distance. That is used before singular noun and those for plural noun. The same thing over here applies, that this is used for the singular, that is used for the singular and those for the plural noun. Now coming to the third point, that is your possessive pronouns. Possessive determinants. What are they? My, our, your, his, its, their. It's similar to your possessive pronouns, as I habituatedly I have called it, right? Then now the third one is here distributives, either, neither, each, every. When we are distributing something, I would like to take either tea or coffee. So that way, when you are distributing something, you have to use these distributives as determiners. The next thing is quantifiers. What are the quantifiers? As the name suggests, quantifiers are the determiners that are showing the quantity. Some, any, much, many. I have many dresses of red color. Then several weeks I was waiting for it. Then give me little something, whatever you want. A little tea, or the little, few, a few, the few, both, all, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, great deal of, a good deal of. These are the quantifiers that are showing the quantity, and you have to use it before the noun to show the quantity. Now interrogative. As the word interrogative is very common in all sentence types and all that, we can identify it. What, which, whose. It can be WS type of how, where. So there is a long list of interrogative words. So that is included in this interrogative determiners. Now the next is articles, as common, a and the. A is used for the singular thing, and is used before a, e, I, o, u. Vowel sound, the is used for the specific things like the earth, the sun, the sky, like this. Now distributives. I am going to tell you in detail about. After demonstratives, we are going to discuss more about the distributives. What is distributive? Each, every, either, neither. Each means one of two things or one of many number of any number exceeding that two. For that we will use these distributives. Now for example, each of them had a, when I am talking about each, at that time, see, number exceeding means exceeding than 2. Every is used in speaking in some number exceeding 2 as. For example, each of them has a gun in his hand. Before, see, there may be 5 people, or the persons were standing over there, that are 5, and each of them had a gun in his hand. So that way we are talking about them. Each of you can go to the market, means they can be more than two. Then at that time you will use this word. Every man expects to be rich and successful. So every here is used in speaking some number of exceeding than two. When that are exceeding than two, then you are using every for them. Now let's listen to the fourth point, that is every country expects loyalty from its peoples. Whatever means whatever the country may be, it may be India, US or something else, but they expect the loyalty from its people. So the country is more than two. Either has two meanings, one of two or each of two. That is both. Either is negative of either and means either one nor the other. So this is very clear. Neither is the negative. Okay. And either is one of two. You can live by either door. By one door or the other. When there is option, we will use the either. Then trees grew on either side of the road. Means both the sides. Trees can grow both the sides. Here the writer wants to say, or the person wants to tell us. He looked at neither side of the road, neither this side nor that side. When we are showing something which is not from both the side, then you have to use the word neither. Specifically, how you can keep in mind, n means no, so neither, not both. Either means this or that or the both. Okay, that way. Then now coming to the next point, that is your quantifiers. What are the quantifiers now? Much, many. Much stands for quantity and many denotes number. When we are talking about uncountable things, then much. Okay. How much? Yeah, was there much milk left in the pot? If you are taking a pot or something is in your hand, a cup or something like that, you will ask like this. So for liquid, you will use there much milk. Were there many people watching the movie? Were there many people watching the movie? Means we haven't got many books. She doesn't have much. Okay. So this way, when the things are like that, we will use the words quantifiers according to it. Now money. For money, what we will use? This is always confusing thing for us. Note words and expressions like the ones given in the box below may be used instead of many. A great many, okay, a good many, a great number of, plenty of, a lot of, lots of. Words and expression used instead of much are. Like when we are using the instead of much are, that time you have to use how? A great deal of, a good deal of, a large quantity of, plenty of, a lot of. Now, what about little, a little, and the little? When we are reading, we feel that the three words are similar, but see how it is used. When you are talking little, आप जब यूज करते हैं हार्डली एनी और नॉट मच, बहुत कम, मतलब इट हैज अ निगेटिव मीनिंग. बहुत कम होना मतलब निगेटिव. ओके, हार्डली अ लिटिल. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट अ लिटिल? देयर वाज little money in the house. There was little that she could do to help the people or whatever you want to talk about. Now, when we are talking about the little, he wasted, suppose the huge pumpkin weighed no less than 10 pounds. Less, fewer, less is used to reference to quantity with the huge. मतलब कोई भी ऐसी चीजें है जो यूज के साथ क्वांटिटी करनी है, सो दैट विल बी यूज्ड इन दिस वे. द ह्यूज पंपकिन वेड नो लेस देन 10 पाउंड्स. नॉट लेस देन 10 पाउंड्स मतलब 10 पाउंड से भी वो ज्यादा हो गया. आई कैन नॉट बाय लेस देन 10 kilograms of rice. No fewer than 2,000 people joined the strike. नो फ्यूअर देन 2000 मीन्स कम नहीं थे उससे, मतलब क्या उसका मीनिंग हुआ? ज्यादा थे. आई कैन नॉट बाय लेस देन 10 kilograms ऑफ राइस. मैं उससे कम नहीं बाय कर सकूंगा, मतलब ज्यादा. सो दैट इज शोइंग नो फ्यूअर देन द 10 civilians were hurt in the firing. Some any to express quantity. Some is used in the affirmative sentences, any in negative. Some जब हम यूज करते हैं तो वो एक पॉजिटिव हुआ. अफर्मेटिव हियर मीन्स पॉजिटिव मीनिंग उसका. एंड एनी इज इन निगेटिव वे. डू यू इज देयर एनी वन टू गिव मी रिप्लाई. तो वहां पे अगर कोई है ही नहीं तो आपको वहां पे एनी पूछने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. ओके. इज देयर समवन हु विल रिप्लाई मी, मतलब affirmative or the positive sentence you are using over here. So when you want to talk something positive about using the word some or any, at that time keep in mind affirmative meaning is always with the some, and any shows the negative meaning. I have some milk but I do not have any sugar. मेरे पास मिल्क है थोड़ा सा, but I don't have any sugar. शुगर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. She bought some shoes but did not buy any dresses. मीन्स उसने ड्रेस तो खरीद लिए, शूज खरीद लिए, कुछ शूज के पेयर. सम मतलब वो क्वांटिटी होगी क्या लिक्विड जैसी, एक या आधा. नो, इट विल बी पेयर्स ऑफ. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. बट नो ड्रेसेस. एनी मीन्स हियर निगेटिव मीनिंग. अगेन सम इज यूज्ड इन इंट्रागेटिव सेंटेंसेस when making polite request. जब आपके कोई भी polite request होते हैं, at that time you will use the word some. Second thing, some is used in conditional sentences. If you see some oranges in a market, bring it for me. Few more examples related to some is like this. Some is used in conditional use of any interrogative or इंट्रागेटिव वर्ड में जो आप अगर एनी और इसका यूज करना चाहते हो तो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट यू हैव टू से, डिड यू बाय एनी स्टैम्प्स, हैव यू एनी आर्टिकल्स ऑन द रिसेंट इवेंट्स, आई डिड सी एनी ऑरेंजेस इन द मार्केट. मीन्स negative meaning again in interrogative also. I am giving you example with the interrogative sentences. So this is for today's lecture. Hope you have understood with the determiners. Bye students, till the next video. Take care, keep reading.